Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the iTop Roll-Up Piano 49 Keys, a portable electronic piano specifically designed with beginners in mind. One of its most impressive features is its incredible portability, thanks to its flexible, foldable, and roll-up design. This makes it super easy to transport and allows you to enjoy playing music virtually anywhere, anytime. The physical dimensions when laid out are about 28.7 inches long, 6.7 inches wide, and just 0.1 inches thick, highlighting its slim profile. It's constructed from a high-quality, environmentally friendly plastic material, which contributes to its lightweight nature, making it simple to pick up and move around. This model features 49 standard-sized keys. The manufacturer suggests it offers a sound and feel comparable to a traditional rack piano, which is a significant benefit for those just starting out and getting accustomed to playing. To aid in the learning process, it comes preloaded with 6 demo songs and offers 16 different tones. These features are intended to support teaching functions, helping users learn how to read music, practice playing techniques, and ultimately foster their musical talent. The surface of the keyboard is equipped with several handy function hotkeys. These allow you to easily adjust the rhythm, select from 8 different drum rhythms, and utilize a one-button, one-tone function. A valuable addition for practice is the built-in recording and playback function, letting you capture and review your performances. You also have precise control over the sound with 16 levels of volume adjustment and 32 levels for beat control. An automatic sleep function is included to help conserve power when a unit isn't in use. In terms of connectivity, the piano supports external headphones or speakers through a standard 3.5mm output jack, which is great for quiet practice or connecting to larger sound systems. It can also be powered by an external DC power supply, although it does have integrated built-in speakers for standalone use. The fact that the 49 keys are standard and the entire unit can be rolled up truly emphasizes its convenience and portability. Positioned as an excellent gift, particularly for music beginners, this digital roll-up keyboard is small, light, and has a soft body, making it comfortable and safe to handle. Its design is professionally tailored for new players, making it a thoughtful and practical holiday gift for anyone in the family interested in starting their musical journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.